sugar.
Right! We should add sugar. I wonder where is the spoon.
Where did you keep? Just now I keep inside.
That's okay. We can use
Here.
a normal spoon. But wow!
Just cut mom, just wait. See?
But wow!
Because Mihit, you just put it inside. Just leave like this only so that we see.
When it bang,
1, 3 spoon.
I know that.
Oh. Slowly.
But I'm a master
Not so much.
chef. That's enough.
Now we add the tea masala.
Yes. So
I will
it
take
is
it.
very nice.
Add.
Look every. Oh my God.
Add chaat masala. I
It
mean
is
tea masala.
that's okay. That's okay. We'll
Make it
clean
boil
up
first.
this mess. Wait for it to boil. Now I'm going to put the tea. Not that tea. This tea. I need 3 spoons. Same like the sugar.
2.5.
2.5. Okay. But master chefs always have so much. 2 is done. Now a half. And ta-da! Now I have to put the milk up quick. Because it's boiling right now.
Give it.
And I need a spoon to mix.
Where's the spoon?
Thank you,
You're
Auntie.
welcome.
Now I need to mix everything correctly.
Okay, enough. Enough now. Mix so much.
No,
Oh,
we need to mix a lot.
Let it boil.
The tea is ready. Now we need to fill the tea. The Master Chef video. Come on, let's fill it up. And now we are finally filtering. And let's do it now.
put it up. I can see.
And the other glass. And all the tea and sugar is falling in